Aline Zattar is a Brazilian larger-size, awe-inspiring style model, Instagram star, and online media force to be reckoned with. Aline Zattar government name is Aline Zattar, but she prefers to be simply called Aline. She was born on February 23, 1985. She's currently 37 years of age. Her birthplace is the beautiful city of Joinville, Santa Catarina, Brazil. She's currently based in Brazil pursuing her modeling full-time. Aline holds a Brazilian nationality and her ethnicity is Latina. Physical appearance. The beautiful model stands at a height of 5 foot 6 inches tall and she weighs approximately 72 kilograms. Aline hair color is blonde and her eye color is brown. Aline Zattar is single as at the time of this recording she has not disclosed anything about her relationship online. Aline Zattar's total assets at this point, in 2022, is assessed to be more than $950,000.